People always ask me whether they should go with their car insurance company or the at-fault person's car insurance company. And quite frankly, both options can be a good option. It depends on what your interests are. First of all, if you have coverage, you may have to pay your deductible, but your car insurance company owes you certain duties that they do not owe to other people. For instance, they have a duty to promptly investigate. If you choose to go the third-party route, while you may not have to pay the deductible, they don't have to get back to you as quickly as possible. I've seen claims that can take up to 30 days because they don't have a duty to investigate promptly and get back to you. So there's different reasons that you may want to go with your car insurance company for repairs or the at-fault party's car insurance for repairs. A lot of clients ask me if they should go to their own repair shop or the preferred company that's recommended by the car insurance carriers. Now, there's different reasons to do both. One, if you have your own shop and you like them, you already have trust, they can process the claims as long as they have reasonable rates. And the alternative, if you go to the preferred company, they already have an established relationship with insurance providers, and so your claim may be processed more quickly. It's really up to you and what your options are and what your interests are. Whether you want to go through your car insurance company or the at-fault carrier's company, or if you want to go to a preferred company for repairs or your own shop. Feel free to give us a call and we can walk you through the process.